Hello and welcome to our new video. This is Amshik Gade. You're watching Crypto Planet Calls. So friends, as you can see, this is BTC one day time frame and BTC is currently trading at $68,377. So friends, as you can see in the chart, BTC currently trading below the trendline support, below our one day trendline support, which is very bad sign, guys. I have already told you about this. BTC needs to close above this trend line every time. It is very crucial for BTC to close above it. Then only we have chance of pump. So if it closes below this trend line, it will be risky for BTC and we have chance of dump if BTC closes below this area. So it is trying to close below this area. 12 hours 21 minutes left for the closing. Tomorrow morning 5:30 a.m. IST the closing will be done. So let's see where the closing will be. It has the horizontal support also at this area, but the trend line will be more special, obviously everybody know. So this trend line is more important. So if BTC closes even below this horizontal support, then it will be more risky for BTC. Okay, so be prepared for it. And guys, many members were asking why the dump is taking place. Even it is a bullish pattern, it is a bull flag pattern, still the dump is taking place. Many members asking about the reason. So the reason one is the CME gap. I have already told you we have CME gap at this area. Let me show you in the lower time frame so that you can understand. As you can see, we have CME gap at this area, which is at $68,071 and $67,436. At this area, we have CME gap. So to fill this CME gap, BTC is coming down. So it's important for the BTC to fill the CME gap. Let it take 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, but it is very mandatory for the BTC to fill the CME gap. So let's see what happens after the CME gap fills. We may see pump in BTC. But guys, another reason of dump is US elections. As you can see in our yesterday's video, Trump winning chances was above 62%. But today, as you can see, we have seen much drop in Trump's graph. As you can see, 56%, and Kamala's Harris graph is continuously increasing and the Trump graph is continuously decreasing, which is a bad sign for BTC. So if Trump loses the elections, we have more chance of seeing dump in BTC, guys. Even below this CME gap, if Trump loses, the election is in 1 day 6 hours. This will be very volatile. Okay, stay tuned to the chart every time. Stay cautious. Okay, and stay tuned to my Telegram channel. I will update you time to time about the market. And many members are telling that Trump has the craze only in online. He do not have craze in offline, but the Kamala Harris has more craze in offline. The ground level craze is high for Harris. So let's see who wins the elections. This will be very important for us. The election is in 1 day 6 hours. Stay tuned to the elections. Election affects the market very lot. Okay, so if Trump wins, it's very bullish for BTC. If Trump loses the elections, it will be very bad for BTC. The graph of Trump is decreasing. That's the reason we are seeing decrease in the market. So everything depends on the US elections. So stay tuned to the US elections also. Okay, and if you see in the lower time frame, we have support areas at this area, but still everything depends on the fundamentals of the US elections. But let's analyze what happens. As you can see, we have support at this area. We have the CME gap too. So once BTC gives a week and closes above this trend line support, we have chance of pump. But still it has the trend line resistance from the 1 day time frame. As you can see, this is the 1 day time frame trend line. So it is very risky for BTC to break this area, but the 1 day closing is in 12 hours. So this red candle should close above this area. Then only the BTC will be bullish, or else it might be some risky for BTC. So stay tuned to the 1 day time frame also. Okay, and let's go to the 1 week time frame. As you can see, the 1 week time frame looks very bearish. As you can see, the candle is trying to close below the trend line resistance, which is a very bad sign. The closing is in 12 hours. So let's see if it closes above this area. Upcoming week will be very bullish for BTC. So this is the technicals of the market, but fundamentals are also very important in the crypto market. So US elections are also very important. So keep an eye on that also. Let's see what happens. Let's hope for the best. If the Trump wins, it will be bullish for us. So I hope Trump will win the elections. So what do you say, guys? Comments in the comment section, and stay tuned to the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description and also the comment section. I will update you everything timely, so do not forget to join the Telegram channel. That's all for today. We will meet in our next video. Bye.